Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make picture bigger in Photoshop without losing quality. Once you have imported or opened your image on Photoshop, go to the Edit tab at the top left, go to Preferences, and we're going to select Technology Previews. From here, make sure that Enable Preserve Details 2.0 Upscale is checked like this. After that, click on OK. Now let's go to the Image tab at the top and click on image size. From here, for the resample, we are going to set it to preserve details 2.0, and for the width and height, make sure that the unit is set to pixels, and we are then going to increase the width. For example, I'm going to increase it to 500, and that will automatically adjust the height as well to have the same ratio as your original picture. After that, we can then reduce the noise depending on which looks best, so you can navigate through your preview right here, and you can then increase the reduce noise option as you prefer, and just click on OK once you have set your settings in here. Now, if you want to make your image look more detailed, what we can do is to right click on your image layer right here and click on duplicate layer. Click on OK, and let's go to the filter tab at the top, click on other and select high pass. From here, we are going to decrease the radius so that we can only see the details of our image, around 2.0 for me, and click on OK. After that, we are going to set the blend mode by clicking on this normal option right here, and it will open up the drop down menu for the blend mode, and we are going to set it to overlay. And this will make our image more detailed and also improve the quality of our image overall. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.